Hey y'all, this is Terry from Alabama. I am here for an unboxing from Sheila Gingerich from Bohodaydreams. She has a Facebook group, Bohodaydreams, and a YouTube channel, Bohodaydreams. And she deals in authentic boho fabrics, and I mean from India, the best of the best. So here it goes. This was a custom package I asked for. Now let's see if I can get this undone. I have just started working on some boho covers, so I'll do a video after this one showing what I've been working on so far, but I've been waiting for these. What a beautiful piece. Here, it's absolutely totally silk. Beautiful. It feels so good texturally on your hands. Purples. I love this rich purple. Look at the sheen in that. It's got kind of a pinky sheen. And the sequins are lovely. All hand done. No machine sewing on this one. Oh, I love this color too. Real pretty piece of sari silk. Let's see another piece of sari silk. It was tied with this. Pretty. Oh wow, some beautiful little trims here. Let's see if you can see that real well. It's really beautiful. Love the metallic threads in that. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. And this reminds me of something out of the 20s. And all their gaudy gowns they wore. I love that. Gorgeous. Oh man, another beautiful one. Love these blue colors, teals and sky blues. I like the pink with this. Oh my goodness. Look at this lovely fabric she had it wrapped in. Oh my, it's two-sided. It's gorgeous. Let me get my ruler. Oops. Reaching across here. My antique ruler. This is about 8.5 by a lot. It goes on forever. It's really a lot of fabric there. So here you go. It's doubled over there. I'd say it's about 24 inches long. Or wide. That's really pretty. Sorry, you can't see that. Ooh, I can't wait to use some of that. Look at this. Green. Kind of a lime green. Chiffon. Very beautiful. Oh my. This is heavily beaded. I don't know what happened to the brightness of it here. Camera's acting up. Oh, what a beautiful medallion. Oh, that's gorgeous. I could use that in an Oriental journal I'm working on, or gathering stuff up for. I got so many ideas in my head, I can't get them all out on paper. That's a peachy pink. Very pretty. Ooh, they just keep getting prettier and prettier. That's gorgeous, all the metallic threads, and there, that looks like an Aurora Borealis bee. Yeah, all this stitching. That is beautiful. Look how good that looks with the purple. Another heavily beaded piece. Gorgeous. Man, they're tempting not to use. Look at the sides of those beads. I mean, they're chunky beads. They look like cubic zirconians or Swarovski crystals. Sorry, I gotta keep raising my hand up here. Burgundy, gold, another Swarovski crystal, some tiny ones here. Now this is lovely. Look at that. And those yellow rhinestones or Swarovski crystals, I think that's what they are gorgeous. Get out of the camera here. Pearls. I can't imagine wearing a dress with all this. It had to be heavy. But boy, you have to feel like you're really beautiful wearing it. This is pretty. It's really soft. I had asked for reds and burgundies, and she sure gave it to me. Purples. That is really gorgeous. Just stunning. I don't think the camera does it justice. This is burgundy and silver. This is a burgundy. Between a burgundy and a fuchsia. Getting down to some fabrics here. Oh, that's pretty. It's a beautiful shade of blue. I don't know why my camera is focusing and then going out. Seems to be taking it bright and then it dims. Maybe it's all the beautiful Swarovski crystals. It's probably blowing my camera's mind. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's see if you can see it, the whole thing. It's beautiful. These are square ones and beads. Beautiful. And this has burgundy and it's got a green filigree looking raised, kind of a velvety feel. Pretty. This has got a lot of metallic thread through it. It's a beautiful piece. I can see using that on a front cover. Beautiful. Oh, I love their threads. Oh, another very gorgeous piece. I would love to just spend a whole day there shopping in their fabric stores. I've seen them shopping for their saris, which is, you know, tons of fabric, you know, 5 to 9 yards per sari, and I see them shopping with the fabrics folded over a hanger, and I've seen it on movies before. I was like, oh, that would be fun. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that gold shining. It's amazing how they have both sides of the fabric are done, the way they weave them. Another beautiful piece. Oh, this is silky. Oh, wow. Just wonderful to touch. Sheila is very generous in her packs. It's such a variety. And remember, I don't know how long or if she'll continue doing custom orders, but I did have a special request and it took her a lot more time, so I'm sure she'll have to charge a little bit more for that. But I did get what I asked for, and that's amazing. These were colors that I did not have. And of course with these, you do use them sparingly. A lot of these pieces are great for tip-ins or appliques. Many journals take the pieces and stitch them together and make a larger piece of fabric that's been pieced. I've seen some done like a crazy quilt with lots of different embroidery pieces on the front. There's all kinds of ways to use this fabric. One of the journals I'm working on is the gypsies are going to be Indian, from India. So it's going to be more India themed boho. And of course the typical regular gypsy boho I'll be doing too. I think a journal just kind of speaks to you when you start adding the fabrics and making your cover, or it does for me. Once I make my cover, it dictates what goes inside of it. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. I'm not sure what this is made of. Feels like maybe a silk or a see-through brocadey type fabric. I don't know. It's really pretty. Very interesting texture. I might have to speed up. There's a lot to go through. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That's an emerald green and blue. Very beautiful. Some very large pieces. Oh my, this is beautiful. I've seen some other ladies that had ordered from her and had this in the first round that she did. This is so beautiful. I'm so glad I got a piece of this. Oh my. Another long piece. That's beautiful. Look at the back side of that. This is all silk. Let's see how big this is. It's about 24 inches long. I've got it doubled up right now. And about 7 inches wide. That'll make a nice journal. I love the shade. Oh, more red. Oh, this is lovely. This is a deep, deep red burgundy color. Doesn't show up that way on the camera, but it is a very, very rich color. I mean, it's beautiful on both sides. And that's a pretty good piece. Oh me, this is the piece I was waiting for. Oh my goodness. This is from a wedding gown. Oh my word. She gave me a huge piece of this. Cannot believe this. Oh my, Sheila. Oh my gosh. Don't want to tear these. I think the threads got hung up in each other. Oh my. Can you see that? And look at this end. It's full of beads hanging down. Oh my word. She's a dear friend of mine. I just can't believe she added this in there, this huge piece. It is just breathtaking. I mean, simply breathtaking. Wow. Absolutely wow. This is like half of the scarf. She said it was from a scarf. Wow. Oh my. That is going to make some really, really super gorgeous, gorgeous journals. If I have the guts to cut it. It's just unbelievable. I can't get over this. Well, I would say the finale was pretty great. Oh my goodness. Y'all have got to check her out. Please, please subscribe to her YouTube channel, Bohodaydreams, and her Facebook channel, Bohodaydreams. She has all the information about how to contact her. That's where she'll put new information about any new requirements. Like I said, these are absolutely 100% India, from India. And these are heavily, heavily embellished. This is a heavy piece of fabric. I cannot believe this. It had to be a real chore wearing this. But wow, what a statement piece. But if you'll follow her on her Facebook and subscribe and like it, she'll keep you up to date on her new acquisitions. She does shop, every few months. She goes personally and acquires them. She has several places she goes up in Canada where there's a very large Indian community. So check her out. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. This is absolutely fabulous. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Thanks, Sheila. Love it all.